welcome to the Full Range Room. Before anything else, please follow me on Instagram at marielreal.ig as well as on my other socials. The links have been in the description box, in the channel banner, and in the About page since last Friday. So today we'll look at yoga binds, whether that's binding with the hands or holding the big toes from behind in the absence of props. If you're having a hard time binding, this is what you need to check first. First of all, make sure the palms face forward so the arms are longer. See the difference if we face the palm back at the start, already ready to bind, the arm is shorter. So this is a bit longer and it's shorter. Let's use Gomukhasana arms as an example. So let me just turn around so you can see. So I'll have my upper arm in place. Okay, my bottom palm faces forward and I take it back until I can't anymore, and I'll have no choice, okay, but to put my arm in position and bind. Okay, now maybe we are not binding yet, but we are definitely close if we are mindful in our approach. Second, if we can bind, the bottom hand always faces away from us, just like what happened in Gomukhasana a few seconds ago. Third, if we manage to hold the wrists in our binds, the bottom hand is the holding hand. So let me just show in another pose. Okay. So if we were to do Baddha Parsvakonasana, all right, let's get into position. Again, we take the arms back first, okay, full range until they turn, and then we bind. So this is your bind. So if we are not binding the wrist, okay, then we are here. All right. Now for those who can bind the wrist, all right, you can maximize the pose by stretching the upper arm to open the chest. All right. So by the way, sometimes we do half binds, all right? So let me just show that quick in Parsvakonasana. I'll just face you this time. So if we were here, we'll take a half bind. It's the same thing. So we take the upper arm back, palm faces away from us first. At the last minute, let it turn. Then take your half bind, okay? Because sometimes we think that we cannot reach and we end up placing the hand at the lower back. That's fine, but maybe you can do this practice so you can take your bind a little bit further. Now, how about asanas like Marichasana A, where the arms are level? In this case, the shorter arm, okay, which is my right arm here, okay, will act like the bottom arm in the previous examples. So let me just turn around so you can see the bind. Okay, so we face the palms away, turn them back, full range, and then we bind, okay? And then if we can hold the wrist, we hold the left wrist. Then when we are in the asana, let me just change sides so you can see, and I'll give you a side view. All right. Okay, once we are here and we are able to hold the wrist, okay, again, you can maximize the pose, okay, by stretching, okay, the longer arm, full range. All right, so let's move on to the big toe binds. So I believe that the legs are usually in half or in full Padmasana, or maybe they are always in those positions, okay, when we grab our big toe from behind. So same thing, face the palm of the binding arm away, okay, take it back, and then we bind. So an idea that I learned from an Ashtanga workshop with Clayton Horton is to grab that bony part, this one, below the big toe, okay, if we can. So this bind is just much more secure compared to holding the big toe, because especially if we cannot pull the big toe away or against the fingers to make it secure, the fingers or the hands might just slide off. Okay, so that's it for yoga binds. I hope you found this helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click on the bell so you receive all notifications. Thank you for watching and see you this Friday.